Scenario: the burner control is set to automatic and controls smoothly until the following upset in the process happens. The temperature controller's sensitivity adjustment, proportional band gain, is set slightly too low. Based on this problem, what would you expect one of the symptoms to be? The correct answer is F. The controller is hunting for its set point by too slowly opening and closing the actuator.
The burner control is set to automatic and controls smoothly until the operator erroneously changes a burner control tuning parameter. The temperature controller's sensitivity adjustment, proportional band and gain, is now set lower than optimum. The controller begins hunting for its set point by opening and closing the burner position actuator too slowly. Damper type closed loop control. The damper is being controlled by the photohelic controller, which is a sensitive vacuum pressure switch electronically operated with two sets of on-off switch contacts. Airflow has satisfied the controller when the back needle falls within the two orange set point needles. When airflow into the front of the dryer slows and puffing begins to happen, the black needle indicating airflow drops below the left or low orange set point. Airflow falling below the low set point will close a set of switch contacts that shall energize the open windings on the actuator. Consequently, the airflow will increase, and so will the position of the black airflow needle. The lag time between the airflow change and the controller sensing the change is quite short. Therefore, when the set point stops the actuator from opening further, the black needle comes to rest, usually between the two orange set point needles. If the actuator is too sensitive, too much mechanical gain, sometimes it can be desensitized by extending the length of a lever. The airflow needle shall exceed the high set point orange needle. Consequently, the close windings will get energized and the cycle of overshooting is repeated. The operator has a choice of taking the damper out of the automatic mode, or widening the set points, or fixing the problem with a lever extension, or adding a timing circuit.